Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and coloring 2D shapes. First we are coloring the shape of star and the next one is pentagon, square, triangle, circle and the last one is trapezoid. Kids, now we are mixing and using the color of blue. First we are coloring the shape of star and now we are mixing and using the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is pentagon. The shape of pentagon we are again using blue color. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is square. The shape of square. Now we are coloring 2D shapes. Kids, the next one is triangle. Now we are using the color of red. Subscribe to our channel. Now we are mixing and using the color of red. Kids, the next one is trapezoid. The last one is trapezoid. Subscribe to our channel. Today we are coloring 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.